In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GA4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Google Analytics and get to the GA4 interface confidently and safely. We'll start right from wherever you usually open your Google tools. On many desktops, that's the app launcher icon, the small grid of dots, or the apps menu on your device. Click that launcher to open a panel of your available apps and shortcuts. Take a moment to scroll through at a steady pace. Depending on your setup, the icons might be grouped or listed alphabetically, so keep an eye out for Google Analytics as you move. If the list feels long, use the search bar at the top of the launcher and type Analytics. That will pull Google Analytics to the top. Go ahead and click it to open. That click takes you straight to Google Analytics. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a prompt. Sign in securely, and if you use multiple Google accounts, for example, one for work and another for personal projects, be sure to pick the account that actually has access to your analytics data. A quick way to confirm is to glance at the profile picture or initial in the top corner before you proceed. If it's not the right account, switch to the correct one so you land in the data you expect. Once you're in, you'll arrive on the Google Analytics home area, which is where GA4 lives. Along the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation, Home, Reports, Explore, Advertising, and Admin. Home gives you quick snapshots like real-time activity and recent insights, which is a good sign you're in the right place. If you manage more than one property or website, look to the top left for the account and property selectors. This menu lets you switch between properties without leaving the page, which is especially helpful if you oversee several sites or apps. Not sure whether you're in GA4? GA4 has a streamlined layout and emphasizes events, engagement, and real-time cards on the home page. If what you see looks very different, you might be viewing an older setup. Use the property selector to choose the GA4 property tied to your site. From here, you're ready to explore. Open reports to check traffic trends, pages and screens, user acquisition, and engagement. Click real-time to watch current activity as visitors arrive. And when you want to analyze deeper, Explore offers advanced techniques to build custom insights. That's it. You opened your launcher, found Google Analytics, signed in with the correct account, and you're now inside GA4. For faster access next time, bookmark the page once you're in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your GA4 insights.